Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 cameras for YouTube in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the price and find out more information about these cameras, you can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 is the GoPro Hero of 2018. The GoPro Hero makes GoPro cameras more accessible, and if you don't need to record 4K video, it could be the ideal action camera for your summer holiday, daily vlogging and other things you usually do. It's small, produces decent videos or images, and it really is a doddle to use. Plus, once you get to grips with it and how its app works, it can be a really fun camera to play around with. However, let's talk about design, specification and image quality. Design-wise, the new Hero looks identical to the Hero 5 and Hero 6 black cameras. It uses the same rubberized matte grey body that's waterproof down to 33 feet without the need for an underwater case. It has the same 2-button interface, front LCD information display and rear touchscreen. Connectivity is also the same with USB-C, HDMI and both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Internally speaking, the GoPro Hero uses a 10 megapixel sensor and video resolution is limited to Full HD 1080p. The frame rate can be set to either 30 or 60 frames per second. In addition, the Hero also maintains image stabilization, another great feature that comes in handy plenty of times when you're recording or shooting a photo. As for video quality, it's surprisingly very good. You probably won't notice any softness or lack of fine details while viewing footage on a computer, so in my opinion, that's a really great improvement. Moreover, the new GoPro Hero also includes voice control, which will allow you to give simple voice commands like GoPro start recording and GoPro take a photo, which in my opinion is a great feature and it'll definitely ease your shooting experience by making everything more simple. To conclude, if you're looking for a small camera with great features that'll come to use in many of your daily vlogs, holidays and more, then the GoPro Hero is your answer. At number 4, it's the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The PowerShot G7X Mark II is Canon's masterpiece for many reasons, starting from its built-in connectivities, usability and up to its high-end shooting capabilities for a price that's suitable for everyone's budget. So let's get straight into the action and reveal what else you can expect from this device. When it comes to design, this unit is clothed in an all-black colour finish and is composed of a fairly large 3-inch LCD screen that can be tilted up to 180 degrees and down for up to 45 degrees, with the intention to let you have a clear view of everything you want to shoot. Additionally, to the right there's the control panel with intuitive labels which will signify the purpose of the controls, and on top there are 2 dials and a button, so as you can see the controls are easily accessible. You won't have any difficulty switching between menus and adjusting the pictures depending on your requirements. Moving on, at the front, apart from the Canon zoom lens, you'll also see the presence of the control ring, which you can use to manually adjust photos as well as navigate between menus. So when you look at it as a whole, this camera is not only elegant looking, but it's also nicely engineered. Let's talk about the performance. This model comes with a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that's paired with Canon's Digic 7 image processor and offers an ISO range from 125 to 12800. But let's not forget the built-in 4.2x optical zoom lens that'll ensure quality photos will look smooth even if you're shooting in difficult lighting conditions. What I also like about this camera is that the lens is covered with a super spectra coating, which drastically reduces the occurrences of ghosting or lens flare, so you can achieve wonderful results in strong lighting conditions. Last but not least, this device has a built-in Wi-Fi and NFC support, meaning you'll conveniently publish your images to your social networking and media sites and everyone will admire your results. To conclude, the PowerShot G7X Mark II deserves your attention, so give it a try and assure yourself of its quality. At number 3, it's the Sony Alpha A6000. The Sony Alpha A6000 is one of the most popular mirrorless cameras on the market and one of the brand's most successful products. Due to its versatility and reasonable price, it could be a great addition for you too. In terms of design, the Alpha 600 is available in 4 colours and 3 different styles, We're looking at the black coloured one that has a 16 to 50mm lens. To continue, this particular model has a sleek all-black body with intuitive controls that are spread across the top and the rear, making it exceptionally easy to use since you can reach them anytime you want to make adjustments. Additionally, on the top left corner at the back, you'll notice its OLED electronic viewfinder with 1.4 million dots that provide you 100% coverage, while slightly below that is its 3-inch tiltable LCD screen, which you can always rely on while recording videos. When it comes to connectivities, the Alpha 6000 offers built-in NFC and Wi-Fi connectivity, which is a great addition, but I also want to advise you to download the free Play Memories mobile app as well, because you can use it to control the camera remotely from your smartphone. Now let's talk about performance. This unit uses a Bion's X image processor that'll ensure that your photos and videos will be filled with numerous details, rich tonal gradations, and low, nearly unnoticeable noise, so you'll have a feeling of a real professional photo. In addition, the ISO range stretches from 100 to 25600, making it ideal for shooting in low light conditions. And if we add its continuous shooting rate of 11 frames per second, it means you'll be able to capture fast moving objects without any blur at all. I'd also like to mention its 24 megapixel APS-C sensor, which has the same gapless on-chip lens structure as the Alpha 7R, so as you can see, this camera can do miracles. Moreover, this model will let you make Full HD 1920 by 1080 videos in 24p and 60p frame rates for your ultimate experience. To conclude, if you're looking for a camera that justifies its price tag and offers even greater value for its cost, then the Sony Alpha 6000 would be your choice. At number 2, it's the Panasonic Lumix GX9. The Panasonic Lumix DC GX9 is a compact rangefinder style camera that in many ways is exceptionally well suited for vlogging, street and travel photographers. From a design perspective, this model is available in a black color edition made up of a flat body design with a tilting screen and corner mounted viewfinder. To continue, this camera also features an electronic OLED viewfinder with 2.7 million dots sitting on the top rear part of the body, while on the right you'll find a 3-inch tilt-angle touchscreen with up to 1.24 million dots that'll let you have a crystal clear sight of everything you wish to record. Additionally, this device offers you full-way menu buttons. A bit higher there's a rear exposure dial, close to that on the top there's an exposure compensation dial and a front exposure dial, while at the front of the camera is a pop-up flash and compact lenses, so you'll be well equipped with everything you need. In terms of connectivities, they include Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth, which enables a constant connection to your smartphone or another device. Let's talk about performance. This particular model comes with a 20.3 megapixel high-resolution MOS sensor with tuned 3-dimensional color control to detect hue, saturation and brightness for optimal results. The live finder view comes with 2760K dots high resolution, 80 degrees with nearly 100% color reproduction, and it packs 4K technology, including 4K 30 pixels video, 4K live crop, and 4K photo burst with a new light composition mode to capture perfect moments. When you combine all these features into one piece, you'll see that this device produces perfect quality images. Moving on, those who purchased this camera are really satisfied, especially travellers who claim that this unit is very practical to use, it's compact and it offers very interesting features. Last but not least, I'd also like to inform you that this unit is awesome for everyday shooting and video recording, and you can enjoy blur-free photo or video shooting from wide to tall, even in low light conditions. Overall, this is a premium camera with premium features that'll satisfy even the most demanding users, so we highly recommend you consider it since it packs quality and high performance. And at number 1, it's the Sony a7R III. When it comes to high-end cameras, well, the Sony a7R Mark III is a full-frame mirrorless camera that uses a 42.4 megapixel stabilized BSI CMOS sensor, 10 FPS continuous shooting, a hybrid AF system that employs 399 phase detection points covering approximately 68% of the frame, and 4K video recording. With these immense capabilities and a compact lightweight body, it's an extremely versatile tool for photographers, videographers, multimedia creators, and all other types of professionals that demand reliability, flexibility, and versatility. There's plenty to talk about with this camera, but we'll focus on the most important parts. You can take advantage of the camera's dynamic range, picture profile system of color and tonal response borrowed from Sony's professional video line and now includes the even flatter S-Log3 gamma curve. To be more specific, for users wanting to use the camera's video dynamic range with a high dynamic range display, but without the extra hassle of color grading, the A7R III joins the Panasonic GH5 in offering hybrid log gamma recording, essentially log capture with tags to tell displays how to correctly render it. The camera also has a new tech that allows you to take full photos, and the sensor shifts 1 pixel each time to capture more data and create a sharper image. Taking it out of the box, this camera includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery of 2280 mAh, a BCQZ1 battery charger, cable, an eyepiece cap, USB Type-C cable, and a limited 1-year warranty, which are more than enough for you to be satisfied and trusting of the product. Other professional tools that are included in the bundle are the Sony memory card 128GB UHS 2SD, a Sony soft carrying case, and a Sony gun zoom microphone ECM GZ1M. Moreover, the touchscreen is the masterpiece of this camera. The back screen has always been incredible, but now you can do touch focus, which is more convenient than using buttons or just waiting for the camera to detect the object itself. To conclude, if you're trying to take your vlogging, photography or videography business to another level, we highly recommend you consider this product because you definitely won't regret it.